What is Agile? It's a code-generating platform that can build robust, professional-grade software systems. It's scalable, adaptable, and can communicate and integrate with any system. It's also user-friendly. Anyone can become proficient with this system within 3 months, and computer programmers can up their game. The possibilities with Agile are endless. Users can build systems faster with it because of the drag and drop tool functionality. Each node that's implemented has hundreds of lines of code behind it that the user doesn't have to write. Users can also write in any native coding language and import it into the tool seamlessly, implementing characteristics of a modern relationship database system, not features of one. Step into the future with Agile, your one-stop shop for software development.